If you're selling a vehicle in Texas, make sure you fill out Form 130U, you and the buyer. But also, what you want to do is go online and do a vehicle transfer notification. You can do that online. You can go to the DPS website right here where I went to. Once you go to that site, you go submit vehicle transfer notification. And just notice that when you submit this, if you make sure you fill this out, and you can do it online because you're responsible for anything that happened, tickets, anything, somebody commit a crime in this vehicle. If it's still in your name, you're responsible. So once you go online and follow these steps, it's very easy. Just click this, submit notification, fill out everything, license plates, your name, VIN number. And once you do all of that and you make sure it's correct, just hit search. And if everything's correct, it's going to pull up your information if they haven't did the transfer. They let me know that this person haven't did the transfer yet. So you want to get this out of your name. So you hit that, you go ahead and fill in the information, the seller, which is your information, and everything that's got the red asterisk mark by it, you need to fill out, hit next. Then you want to put in the buyer's information. If you know all that buyer's information, make sure you get a copy of that Form I-30U when you give it to them. And then once you enter that information, you hit next. And just put the date of sale. It got to be within 30 days. Anything after that, you're still responsible. Hit next. Make sure everything's okay. Just go through. If everything is okay, the only thing you will have to do is hit submit right here. Once you hit submit, or you can print it or you can cancel. So once you hit submit, it's going to send you an email. And the email is going to look like this, or at this page, you can go ahead and print. Or you don't really need to print it because they're going to send you an email notification, which will look just like this. And it comes in with about a minute after you submit the application. So this is it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.